Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are in group 10, from group 11. In this presentation, we will we will present about error analysis of student anxiety in learning English. Okay, the presentation will be presented by my friend Dian Sarina, and the second presentation will be presented by me, Diki Chandra. For Dian Sarina, time is yours.
Okay, the first material is what is error? According to G. Richard et al., an error is the use of a word, space, or grammatical item in such a way it seems imperfect and significant in incomplete learning. Next, the second material is what is error analysis. According to Crystal, error analysis is a technique for identifying, classifying, and systematically interpreting the table from produced by someone learning a foreign language, using any of the principles and procedure provided by linguistics. Next, type of error. Uh, Number one is omission. These errors are categorized by the omitting an item should be appeared in a well-formed utterance. Although any morpheme or word in a sentence is a potential candidate for omission, some types of morpheme are omitted more than others. Number two, addition. This error is the opposite of omission. These errors are categorized by the presence of an item which must not appear in a well-formed utterance. It is divided into three types of addition error. A double marking this addition error is described as the failure to delete certain items which are required in some linguistic construction but not in others. The learner would have acquired the tense from verb auxiliary and verb. For example, we didn't when there is because two items rather than one are marked for the same future tense in the example above. A regulation rule typically added to linguistic item is eventually added to exceptional item of the given class that do not take a marker. Simple addition: if an addition error is not a double marking or regularization, it is called simple addition. No particular filter characterizes simple addition other than those that characterize all addition errors. For example, the fish does live in the water, the linguistic item, and then it is third person singular. Number three, misformation. These errors are categorized by the use of the wrong form of the morpheme or structure. In misformation error, the learner supplies something although it is incorrect. For example, the dog eaten the chicken, and the learner supplies a past tense marker, but it was not the right one. Number four, misordering. As the labels suggest, misordering error are categorized by the incorrect placement of a morpheme, a group of morpheme in an utterance. For example, he is all the time late. What Daddy is doing. The correct sentence are He is late all the time. Okay, enough. Back to moderator.
Okay, next material is classification of error analysis. The sentence, but you can find to answer yourself if you go to this book. Error. In its preparation, the preposition to is incorrect, replaced with another preposition. And the tips of misformation. Then the the principle of teaching reading arts um, states are reconstruction. The principles of teaching reading states that the tips of addition. Next sentence. So it made the student confused in learning process. Error. The non-parse higher score seems to be missing a determiner of it. Consider adding an article. The tips of omission. Next sentence. To review any error and recap the main points. Error. Grammatically, the sentence is correct, but it is quite hard to say. So to make it easier, the arrangement of the word in order will be clear. The tip of misordering. Okay, I think enough for this presentation. We say thank you for your attention. If any question, you can ask us. And we think back to group 10. Masih Damayan.